Daddy, you know I'm recording right now.
Yeah. Put it right here like this. We'll use a brand new bad boy to cut all of these out. Instead of using this printer ink, we're gonna use this printer ink into this printer.
Yep, we're going to use it.
First have to empty this one first, and then after we're gonna rinse it up. After we rinse it up, then we'll take this one and put it into this bottle. And then after this one is in this bottle, then we can use this nozzle, right? As you can see, the nozzle only fits in this tank. This one will not fit. So that's why we have to use this bottle to fit in this tank. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and undo this.
It's the hour.
Okay, so first thing first, we're gonna empty these ones, okay? And then after I'm gonna rinse it, guys, it's important that we rinse it clearly because we don't wanna mix this black into that black, right? Because remember, there are different kinds of ink, so we cannot mix that together. So that's the black. Rinse this in the washroom and we'll be right back. Alright guys. So we're going to empty these. We're going to put this aside. We'll take this black one and pour it into this black one. So that's what we're going to do now. Now the most important part, make sure this is that. See? The same color in the cap. So right here we have our bottles all lined up and ready, except that one I'll have to switch after. I will empty this one in here, and then after I will put the yellow back in this bottle, only because I'm missing one bottle from this. So anyways, we're about to pour in the black. As you can see, blacks for black. So we'll open from here, nice and slow. And then over here, it's a little latch over here. All we have to do, just open like this. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Goes in here. Black for black. So we're gonna open the black. See all of these? And the nozzle, they made it so that the nozzle can fit in exactly like that. So it doesn't make too much mess. Right? And also so you can buy their brand. So all we're gonna do now is just line it up in there and just attach it. See, like that. So we're gonna go 3, 2, 1. You make sure it's completely drained out. Take it out slowly with no mess. See that? No mess. And then you close that back. done. Goes in like that. Okay, here we go. Once that is done, go ahead and grab it out, bend it over, set it aside, close it. So I don't have the right adapter or the nozzle to fit the yellow ink in there, so I have to do it manually, carefully. It's a really tricky part and intense because you don't want to spill the ink everywhere, right? You want to keep it clean. So I'm taking my time, making sure it's dropping right in there. It's tedious. That's why I just prefer the bottle. But the reason why I threw that bottle, I couldn't use it because it was broken from the bottom.